G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Another SilverAnt item here. It's a compact folding canister stove. Now hence, it's not the one I normally carry, but this is my tester. Now one thing I need to inform you of at the moment is the company's having difficulty sending this out with their courier. The actual ignition part, the courier is saying is a dangerous item. So they've sent this one out to me without the ignition, that I can tell. The box is sealed. So, but they inform me that they'll be sending it without the ignition because of that case, but they are looking at rectifying that. So they're going to be able to send it out with the ignition, or if you need a replacement ignition, they can send it out to you. Calling it ignition, some people know it as a Pisa, the sparker. But again, it turned up, not a dent on the box. The packaging, it comes with a nice thick layer of foam around it. The wrapping foam, that is not the big bubble styrofoam stuff, and it's wrapped in the black bag with a lot of tape around it, so it's nice and secure and compact. So they do pride looking after the gear when they send it to you. Now I love this little logo on this little label here. The little SilverAnt logo. Here's Puss Puss, what do you think? Is that okay? Yeah, alright. Not interested today. But let's get it open and have a good look at it. What is it? You want to fuss? You want to fuss, do you, don't you? It's a nice secure label this is, so it's not going to come undone. That's it. Open the box. Okay, you get a thank you card in there and a SilverAnt sticker. Right, open that there. This is the label. What's this for? Is this for the actual thing, or is it generic? Product guarantee. Create products that are built for a lifetime of adventure. After the purchase of this outdoor product, if you are unsatisfied or if there is a manufacturing defect, please contact SilverAnt within 30 days of receiving your order. Customer service via email or via social media channels. Just a generic. And in here is a stove. Now I think the stove is actually titanium and the actual gas regulator is steel, I think. Not certain. Is there anything in here that tells us? Yep. Let's get it out. Now there's the little regulator. It just feels quite heavy, so I think that will be steel. I don't think that will be aluminium. Actually, maybe aluminium. Not 100% certain. So nice and smooth. Advantage about that is taking it off, you can pack it away, so you pack smaller. No igniter in it. Oh, let's actually put the packaging over here out of the way. It's a good sized bag for it. Could have done with a bit smaller, you don't need that big. So here it is. A tree sort of folding out for you to put your pot on. And I've looked at this and I thought some of the pots are smaller, so how would it work? And the simple answer is like that, and your pot, smaller cup, can sit on there. So it's a win-win, whether it's open or closed. You've got the hole there, which is where the little igniter comes through. I tell you, it feels really nice. Nice finish on it. Like this round piece here, it's all closed in. It's supposed to be help with the windbreak. Got all the multiple holes for the jets to come through, and there's some fine mesh in there. Yeah, got the screw there for the little igniter when they're able to send them out. Regulator goes on that way round. That goes on nice and easy. Nice rubber seal here, a good thick one. Quality wise it's really nice, it's got nice knurling, nice clean. Some of these you can see they're not done very nice. But this does look really nice. See how easy it goes on the canister. Because some you're going to have difficulty with, and no, nice and easy, nice clean thread. There's your hiss of your gas. Right, let me find a lighter. Lighter. Get out of the way. Just hear the gas coming out now. Nice and easy. That's nice. This. Oh, look at that. Oh. Down. How low can we take it? Wow, this is really, really going low. Oh, there's just the flame's about 1/4 of an inch, with a couple of just flicking up to about 1/2 inch to an inch. I think I've just taken it to the limit. Yeah, I took it to the limit. But no, that's really responsive, that is. Up we go again. Now my face is about 9-10 inches away, my forehead, and the heat when that was on full was hot, so you could feel it like laying in the sun on a 40-degree day. I like that. Let's get my pot. Now this is my 500. Fits on lovely. So I think you'll get away with even a smaller. How far can I move it over and it's still? Yeah, you can, even with it like this, you can have no problem. Oh, cup's really hot, it's really quick. You can have no problem with this stove. What I might do is turn this off, nip and get some water, just as a experiment, see how long it takes to boil. That's 500, so was it? I can't remember if it's 500 or 600 that one, but yeah, like a normal test I do with one of these stoves or the Esbits. About 1/2 inch below the top so it doesn't bubble over, and we'll see how long it takes to boil. Let's turn it off while I'm out the room. Actually, don't have to go all the way out the room. I've got a bottle of water here. Let's move everything out of the way. We start the camera shot. Move you back a little bit, get a better shot. There you go. Here we are. That's it, it's about 11-12 millimeters or half an inch away from the top. And I'll read the time on the camera there. And it lights through without taking the cup off. Yep. So we're on 11:55 now. Let's turn it up. Now where I've taken it to is with the flames just coming out the side, and it's about 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom of the cup. So let's see, let's give it a chance. That you can already see it warming up at the bottom. Lid on, I'm going to push it out. So to feed push. Right, where are we? 13:47. We've got the bubbles rising already. Now I'm sure if we turn this up full blast, it'll probably heat it a lot quicker, but I'm trying to do it where it'll boil the water and I'm still able to lift the cup off with the handles here. I forgot to write down the actual weight of it, so what I'll do, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. Okay, instead of putting it on the screen, I'm going to weigh it. So I've got the scales. Click on. Now this is without the piezo, but it's the actual stove itself, which has, as you can probably see, got that lovely blue colour of titanium. So put it on. The whole thing, 95 grams. It's probably going to be lighter because there's no piezo stroke igniter in it. So look again. 14:45. Yep. You can actually hear it. I don't know if you can on the camera. You can hear it rattling with the bubbles beginning to come up. Yep, bubbles are getting bigger. $15.25. Yeah, handles aren't getting too hot. I can actually feel it vibrating in the counter here. Yep. Now if you follow my videos, I like the idea of being able to get my food ready quick if I want to, but I also prefer doing it as quiet as possible so I can just relax and enjoy being out there in nature. But I've burnt my hands also having it on high and picking the handle up too many times, so a few more minutes. Personally, I don't mind. There you go, you can see the steam. Very, very, very close to the rolling boil. Let's pick the camera up and show you how you can see that. And the camera is 1709. But there's the rolling boil. Alright, let's get it turned off. So we've got the rolling boil with it on low at 17. What is it now? 1724 now, so 1719. Yeah, I can't remember what it started at, so I'll put it here, how long it took. But that was just on low when it was just here. It wasn't actually hitting the bottom full blast or coming up the sides. And I can comfortably lift the cup off. It's still giving off heat. Now what do I think to that? I like that. I like that idea. Now SilverAnt sent this out to me. I sent them a request asking them after I reviewed that. Where are we? Oh yeah, here it is. The multi-fuel stove set with the cup kit. I was impressed with the quality of it. This stove, I'm impressed with the quality of this. It's really, really good. I do like it. Even without the igniter. My other stove, or a lot of my stoves actually don't have the igniter, so I just normally use a lighter or the ferro rod. Don't know. So the proper name for a butcher, the compact folding canister stove. And my impressions is it's worth it. It's good quality, stable, and very, very adjustable. So if you want to use it for just boiling water to make a cuppa, you can. And looking at how low that flame went, and how that just can be spread on the bottom of a larger pan, which I will try in the future. I'll try cooking with a frying pan on here, just cooking the bacon and eggs like you used to. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have and you're not already a subscriber, please go down below and click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification next to it and select all, so you can be notified of all future videos. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.